Oh my goodness, they've done it again. Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, straight away you can see that this product has that beautiful maple leaf on the box, which means it is another product from the wonderful Royal Canadian Mint. Let's get straight in this iconic red box. Gotta love that. And we definitely can see that this is a high-end product. Love the red on this box and the care that's gone into it. Let's open this up. Now, we do pack in some extra bubble wrap here at EMK so that coin arrives safe to you. This is our certificate of authenticity. You can see here it is Maple Leaves in Motion, and this is such a fantastic series. Just wonderful. It is the 2024 piece. This is a 5-ounce silver-proof coin with rhodium plating, and it is incused. So it's got a whole lot going on here. Let's just check it out in a minute how much is going on. I have to say, this coin has been a challenge to film. We've had several practices trying to get the best angle for you, and straight away you can see why. It is a very reflective piece, but it's absolutely wonderful to hold and see close up. Here we have Canada 2024, and of course we have the Queen Elizabeth II, $50 value, and it is very weighty, this 5-ounce. Let's open up this capsule to get a closer look at this piece. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more reflective, without the capsule it's even more wonderful. Seriously, the incused maple leaf is just fantastic, and as I move the coin around there, you can see all of those small little maple leaves around there. Really nicely done. This rhodium plating is absolutely phenomenal. Canada, really love that there. The obverse has those same small maple leaves traveling around Queen Elizabeth II, and she is beautifully done there. The detail, the chunkiness of this piece, obviously you've got 5 ounces to work with. Really, really cool. Getting up close to that large maple leaf there in the center. Really nice. And the rhodium finish. Just really, really cool. Just another fantastic addition from the Royal Canadian Mint. For those of you that have seen these Maple Leaves in Motion, the series, I think they just get better and better. Really, really nice. Just such a high standard. Now the mintage on this coin is 2,000 pieces. As you saw before, it comes with a certificate of authenticity, and it comes delivered with the original wooden box. So it really is fantastic. If you're interested in starting your collection of the Maple Leaves in Motion or adding to your existing collection, check it out on our website. That's www.emk.com.